Yo, what is up, y'all boys? So it's currently Monday, January 26th. It's like 7:42 a.m. right now or something like that. But so we're gonna end up trading today. We'll hit the markets at around 8:30 my time, 9:30 New York session. So in about an hour we'll hit the markets. Next time you'll see me after this clip, I'll be off of my. I'm gonna do my MacBook. I'm gonna record from my MacBook, record the live trading session, just basically just show y'all what I'm seeing into the market and what I'm like getting at, what I'm looking at, what looks to make me take a trade. Just, take y'all with me through the market basically. Just for anybody that doesn't, that doesn't have like actual experience in a live market and understanding that the things that you're seeing on, different streamers, stuff, different like, YouTube or your favorite traders, you're seeing them make all this money. They don't show you that you'll be sitting at the market for 3 hours, 4 hours, you feel me? Sitting there and you're waiting for that trade to play out. Them candles, they take a long time to close. You gonna be sitting there waiting for them candles to close. That like it ain't that fast money that shit people be expecting it to be. But yeah, so let me just give y'all a real like look into the market to show y'all what I be looking at, what I'm seeing in live time that's like telling me like, okay, this is something that's, I might take a trade off of, Of course, some I've been practicing is being very patient. So I haven't been rushing in trades at all. I'm very fine with it not being a trading day. I'm very fine with not taking a trade, so it's like, if it happens, it happens type of thing. I'm not pressed over the trade though. So yeah, back to what I was saying. As soon as next time you'll see me, I'll be recording off the MacBook, and I'll be taking y'all through market open, what I'm marking out, my draws and liquidity for today. Yeah, but yeah, so tap in with the video, watch it all the way through. Market recap video coming later tonight. Market recap is kind of just a deeper dive at exactly what I'm seeing. Like in a live moment, I'm gonna have a bunch of moments where I'm like fast forward, like it's gonna be like a bunch of different like live reactions, but when I actually can break it down after the trading day is over, I can look back into the trading day and show y'all exactly what was really happening, what could have led you to take that trade. That'll be later tonight. Also tap on the TikTok, BD_trade, same as the YouTube channel, and Funded6, and then RANDON, Funded6 brand. But yeah, so I'm gonna catch y'all boys later. Soon as it hits that, soon as it hits that opening candle. Fuck, I'm stuttering this shit. Alright, yo, what is up, y'all boys? So currently it is 8:43. We're waiting these next 2 minutes for this candle to close. And then we'll have our first 15-minute candle. Staring at my PC right now, so that's what's in front of me. So whenever I'm looking, out of the out of the frame, I'm not looking directly over here. It's where the computer is. It's where my PC is. So yeah, let me take my. All right. I'm liking the way that each of my markets are looking. I'll be right back, y'all boys. All right, back, y'all boys. So yeah, we're gonna I'm looking at each of these markets right now. Um, so what I'm seeing right now is that. Hold on, real quick. So NQ and ES, they're both pretty equal right now. No SMT, both are around the same level. ES might be a little bit higher, but yeah, ES is a little bit higher, but it's not nothing too crazy. Um, and Dow Jones is just doing its own thing. So there goes our first 15-minute candle. I'm gonna mark it out on my computer right here. Mhm. Yeah. All right, so time to drop down to our 5 minute time frame. Right now, what we're looking for is a fair value gap outside of our range. So we'll be patient. We'll keep letting it play out. You know, wait till we see fair value gap. Let me go find where my draw is real quick. Here.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I just want to see, you can see what the context is. Got you. Right, that's right. Okay. 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 It's BDANDERSON 2007 at Yahoo.com. Yep. Right. 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 Okay. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Good luck. Stay
All right, what is up, everybody? So we're still in this trade as of right now. We've been in it for about about an hour as of now. Um, so what I'm looking at right now, what I think I'm about to do is I'm gonna start dragging my stop loss because what we don't want to see is for candles to close like for our high of this trend right here, this our high to be lower than this one. Because then that means we'll be starting to create lower highs and lower lows. We don't wanna start creating lower highs and shit. So what I'm gonna do is let's see. I'm gonna let this candle finish playing out. And if our candle if it ends up closing above this candle, then I'll keep, you know what I'm saying, keep the trade just running through. But if you know if I feel like our hold on. Okay, never mind. I thought I was seeing something else. But yeah. But yeah, if I feel like price is starting to hit a point where it's like it's just not really trying to move no more, then I'll just close out of the trade. I'm not really in too much of a, frenzy about it. We'll just let it play out. Um, what I will do is I will move my stop loss though. Just depending on where this candle closes at though. I'm gonna sit here, I'm gonna watch it play out. It's less about, what I'm saying? It's less about seeing the dollar amount, but it's more about just me seeing where is this candle about to close at. So we're just gonna keep waiting for this to close up. We got about 2 minutes left in this candle. Um, about 2 minutes. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. All right. So as we can see right now, we're looking at it. We're seeing how prices are moving currently. We'll sit it up. We're just gonna, like I said, we'll wait for this candle's closure. If it ends up closing, you know, under this level, then I'm just gonna pull out the trade just because it's a little bit safer for me. Still fine. Whatever, what I'm saying, whatever the dollar amount that we end up making today, it's fine, whatever it is. But yeah, so we're just gonna wait for this to close though. Yeah. It's looking like, it's looking like, yeah. We're gonna hop out of it right there. Filled. Counts. We'll hop out right there. Candles closed under this. We're creating lower highs. I just don't want to, what I'm saying, sit in this look just because market's feeling a little choppy to me. If it ends up going up, it ends up going up. But I'm gonna just pull out right there. It's 11:35. I end my trading day at about 12 anyways, so I just don't want to sit in there and just wait on that. But yeah, so I think that's gonna be the end of the video today, guys. I'm gonna be expecting a market recap video later. We're gonna get that out. Tap in with the TikTok, of course. You know, BD underscore trades and funded six random RANDON. Tap in with both of those. Yeah, so that's gonna be into today's trading day. You know, could have been better, but we're fine. We're gonna take what we get right there. Uh, yeah. And these other markets were really showing me anything else either. So yeah, that's that though. Thank y'all for, you know what I'm saying, tapping in with the video. We'll see y'all tomorrow.